Hi friends, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. In this video, I shall be explaining to you about the very recent news that you must have read in the newspapers or you must have heard in the news about the Manipur violence. So what is this Manipur violence all about? What is the history of Manipur violence? That is all that I am going to discuss with you in this video. But before we begin, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course for CLAT 2024. In this course, we bring to you 300 plus recorded videos across 5 sections, 300 hours of live classes, 35 mock tests for CLAT, and other law entrance examination, along with video solutions, monthly e-magazine for current affairs, and the entire content is based on our extensive analysis of the last 5 years of CLAT question paper. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you unlock your 3-day free trial access. Now, those of you who are interested, we bring to you 3-day free access to all our courses. So unlock your 3-day free trial access to all our courses, Ace CLAT with BYJU'S Exam Prep. Okay, all that you need to do, enter your mobile number and start the free trial. So guys, let's begin. So what is the history? I'm going to discuss with you the history of this very important news that has come up about the Manipur violence, the mighty community and the tribal status. Now, here is this community who had tribal status before 21/9/1949. And what is this date important for? So here is a particular community which had or which was enjoying tribal status before a particular date. So prior to 21/9/1949, this Metis community was enjoying tribal status. Now, what is this date? This is a date on which Manipur became a part of India. So that was the date of signing of the merger agreement with the Union of India. As you know, prior to 21/9/1949, the state of Manipur was a separate state altogether. It was not a part of India. So on this particular date, on 21/9/1949, Manipur became a part of India. Prior to Manipur becoming a part of India, that means the mighty community had enjoyed tribal status. Now, after the merger with the Union of India, this particular community lost its tribal status. Now, so certain people from the Metis community, that is the Metis Tribal Union, filed a writ petition before the Manipur High Court asking the High Court to direct the government of Manipur to include this community in the scheduled tribe list. So a writ petition came to be filed before the Manipur High Court seeking a direction to the government of Manipur so that the Metis community, which had enjoyed the tribal status prior to becoming a part of India, they already had it. Now, after they became a part of India, after Manipur became a part of India, they lost the tribal status. They want their tribal status back. Now, what did the High Court say? Now, this is very important for you to understand this violence. Now, the order of the Manipur High Court, which has been criticized by the Supreme Court, by a 3-judge bench of the Supreme Court headed by Chief Justice of India, Churachandpur. Now, let's see what did the Manipur High Court say. The Manipur High Court said that the Metis Tribal Union had made a number of representation to the Union Minister for Tribal Affairs seeking inclusion of this Metis tribe in the scheduled tribe. Now, there was no reply to those representations that have made. So this Metis community had made certain representations seeking the government's indulgence to include these community people as scheduled tribe people. Now, the government has not replied to them. Secondly, now the Manipur High Court also said that other community people were included, whereas this mighty community was not included. So I'll say, in the case of other tribes of the state, the government had recommended the inclusion of those communities as scheduled tribes. But insofar as the Meitei community is concerned, their recommendations was not made, and hence the Manipur High Court says that it is a violation of rights, fundamental right to equality and right to life as enshrined under Article 14 and 21 of the Constitution, because other community, they were recommended to become a part of scheduled tribe community, but the Meitei community was not given that status. So finally, the Manipur High Court directed the state to consider giving scheduled tribe status to the Meitei community within a period of 4 weeks. So the final direction given by the Manipur High Court was, state, consider the representation of the Meitei community, consider their representation insofar as including these people as scheduled tribe within a period of 4 weeks from the date of the order. Now, here, let's understand what is this fight all about. Now, the Meitei community demanded has been in a solid opposition from the Adivasi Students Union. So, the Adivasi Students Union is opposing the Meitei community's demand for ST status, because once these Meitei community is given that status, they say that it would defeat the purpose for protecting tribal communities through reservation. Now, ST people get certain reservation under the Indian Constitution, as you guys are aware of. Now, if the Meitei community is given the scheduled tribe status, then their quota will get reduced. Now, let's understand who has the power to grant scheduled tribe status to a particular community under the Indian Constitution. Article 342 of the Indian Constitution is reproduced herein. Let's read. The President of India, the court cannot, the government cannot, the President may, with respect to any state or union territory, and where it is a state, after consultation with the governor thereof, by public notification, specify the tribe or a tribal community or a part of a group within tribe or tribal community which shall for the purpose of this constitution be deemed as scheduled tribe. So the power to grant scheduled tribe status, the power to grant scheduled tribe status to a particular community is given to the President of India. Now, the question is, can the court direct the government to include a particular community under the scheduled tribe list? The answer is specifically no. And henceforth, the Supreme Court, a 3-judge bench of the Supreme Court headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice J.B. Pardiwal, said that it is a law. In state of Maharashtra versus Miland, it was held that state governments or courts or tribunals or any other authority cannot modify or amend or alter the list of the scheduled tribe. This power to alter or modify or amend the list of the scheduled tribe is specifically given to the President of India under the Indian Constitution. So henceforth, the order of the Manipur High Court, the single judge's order, was bad because it directed the government, and henceforth others who belong to the scheduled tribe, they are opposing, and that's the reason for the violence. I am sure that you guys understood the reason why the violence is taking place. the Manipur High Court directs the state government to include a particular community within the scheduled tribe list. Now, the power is not with the government. The power is with the President of India under the Indian Constitution. Is that clear? So guys, before I end, if you like today's session, do press the like button. Up on your screen is the detailed YouTube timetable for 30th, 1st and 2nd and 3rd of June. 30th of May, 1st of June, 2nd of June and the 3rd of June. Do not miss any of these YouTube sessions that BYJU'S Exam Prep will be conducting in the days ahead. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you 200 Days to CLAT 2024 with Abhimanyu sir. This is a free workshop and a live and an interactive workshop that will be conducted on 4th of June at 6 p.m. Just do not miss it. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course for CLAT 2024, wherein we shall be providing you with 300 plus recorded videos across 5 sections, 300 plus of live classes, 35 mock tests for CLAT and other law entrance examination along with video solutions, monthly e-magazine for current affairs, and the entire content is based on our extensive analysis of the previous 5 years of CLAT question paper. Before I end, those of you who are watching me, it's a must for you. Now, you can unlock 3 days free trial access to our preparation program. The link is provided in the description box below. Just click and just unlock a 3-day free trial of our program. I'm sure that you will love it and like it. So guys, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, do follow us on our Instagram, do like our Facebook page, do join our Telegram channel, and do not forget to download the BYJU'S Exam Prep app today. With this, we come to the end of this session. I hope you understood it. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Many, many more such important news updates will follow soon. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.